Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to back up your emails in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is of course log in your Google account into your Gmail account. And then click your icon here at the upper right part. Then click manage your Google account. It will direct you to your Google account homepage or the my account at google.com. You can also go here through this link. So what you're going to do is click this data and privacy part, and it will lead you to this page. As you can see, you have a lot of privacy suggestions available by Google. So just scroll down a little bit, and then here you can see data from apps and services you use. So it will show you all the apps and services you use, such as Drive, Gmail, Calendar, and many more. So just click this, and as you can see here in your Google dashboard, you have given two options, which is to download your data and delete service. As you can see, you can also see here all the summary on how many files you have for Google Drive, how many conversations for Gmail, and on the other Google services that you use. So what you're going to do to have a backup data is click download your data, and then just check all the data to include, like for example, if you're not if you don't need something, like for example you don't need Google Chats, you can uncheck this one. If you need, you just click it and then scroll down until you reach the next step. So here you can choose the file type, the frequency, and the destination of your backup files. So you can either transfer to download link via email, add to Drive, add to Dropbox, add to OneDrive, or add to Box. So send download link via email. And then you can also set here the frequency when do you want to back up your Google account. Like for example, export once or export every 2 months for 1 year. So you can also choose the file type. If it's too big for you, you can choose the zip, which is the zip files can be opened on almost any computer, and the file size you can upload up to 50 gigabytes or export it larger. Okay, then click create export. As you can see, Google is creating a copy of files from 42 products, and this process can take a long time. You receive an email when your export is done. So there you have it. That's how you have backup files for your Google account. All the important messages, files will be backed up, and it will be sent to your email. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on the next video. Bye!